Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 21, 2023, 5-star Sudoku. 5th grade. 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 9. Column G, 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in another cells, we will confirm later. Column F, column G, we have 4. So 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3. Second row and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another cells, we will confirm later. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Then column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. 8th row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come in the cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another cells, we will confirm later. Column H, column J, and 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3, 4. Column D, we have 1 and 2 and 4. The 3 numbers can't come in this cell, it will come in another 3 cells, we will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then column D, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. 10th row, we have 7 and 9. So 7 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then column D, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 7 and 9, it will come in another cells, so 9 can't come in the cell. It means we have pair numbers 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another cells, we will confirm later. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 2nd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another cells, we will confirm later. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 6, 8. 1st grade, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 3rd row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column J, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 9. Column B, we have 1, so 1 can't come in these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 5th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells, we will confirm later. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, it will come in one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 9, 10th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come in this cell, it will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 7. 8th row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come in this cell, it will come in any one of the 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. 3rd row, we have 1. 7 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. Column J, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.